Welcome on cycle overview video in Samsung Dishwasher DW60R7050FS. So the first cycle is auto, so the cycle detects the level of soil and automatically initiates the optimized cycle. The eco one is this reduce the power and water consumption. The next one is extra silence mode, so this cycle is for more smooth and quiet washing. So it takes a little bit more time, but it's silent. So the next one is intensive for heavy soiled items. The next one is delicate, so you know what it means. This one is express, so this is normally soiled daily using items with a short cycle time. And this one is pre-wash, so this is a pre-wash cycle with the cold water for remove the dirt before running the another program. The self-clean is to clean the inside of the dishwasher. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.